Have you ever faced that iPhone lock to owner message? Yeah, you're not alone. This little hiccup, known as iCloud activation lock, can turn your iPhone into a pricey paperweight. It can be a real downer, but don't sweat it. We will explain in detail how to remove the activation lock without the previous owner. Let's dive in. Why iPhone locked to owner? The activation lock on your device is a security feature that Apple built into its products. It protects your phone and your data when your phone gets stolen or lost. When someone gets your device and tries to use it, your phone will show the activation lock. If they attempt to reset it using the iTunes app, the app will ask for the previous owner's login credentials. If they cannot enter the iCloud login details, then the iPhone will be stuck on the activation lock screen. Essentially, the iPhone requires the account logins of the original owner to confirm that they are indeed the person who is trying to access the contents on the phone. So, how to get the iPhone locked to the owner bypass? Considering you cannot acquire the iCloud login information from the previous owner, in this video, we offer you two proven solutions on how to remove activation lock. Method 1. Remove activation lock without computer. While most iPhones these days run the latest version of iOS, if yours runs an older version of the operating system, then you can use a DNS method to bypass the iPhone lock to owner free. This method uses a loophole in the Wi-Fi DNS settings of your device and tricks your iPhone into thinking it has been unlocked. Step 1. Set up your iPhone as a new device and wait until you reach the Wi-Fi settings page. Step 2. When you are on the Wi-Fi screen, connect to a Wi-Fi network and then tap on the eye icon next to your network name. Step 3. On the screen that follows, tap on the Configure DNS option. Step 4. Choose the manual option at the top and then use one of the following DNS values. And finally, your phone should get unlocked. Method 2. Remove activation lock with AnyUnlock. Considering you can't get in touch with the previous owner to get the Apple ID or password for iCloud, we strongly recommend a professional and effective method to remove activation lock without the previous owner, that is, AnyUnlock. It can help you easily unlock the iPhone activation lock with 3 simple steps. No Apple ID or password is required. As a complete iOS unlocking tool, AnyUnlock can easily meet your unlocking demands, such as MDM lock, SIM lock, and so on. Besides, AnyUnlock is compatible with both Windows PC and Mac. Now, let's walk through the simple steps to use AnyUnlock. Step 1. Download the latest version of AnyUnlock and run it. Then you will see the pop-up window like this. Step 2. Connect your iPhone via a USB cable and click the Start Now button. Step 3. Then, you need to jailbreak your device to allow AnyUnlock to bypass. Read the jailbreak instructions to put your iPhone into DFU mode, and then the jailbreaking process will start. Step 4. When the jailbreaking process completes, you can click on Bypass Now to start bypassing the iCloud activation lock on your device. Step 5. When it's done, your iPhone will start automatically, and then you can regain access to your iPhone. Hope you can solve the issue by following the methods provided in this video. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.